ma'am. So A map is nothing but it's the not map, so which is mainly used for the minimization with the Boolean function. Okay. So in this A map, we are already having the Boolean class, variables and properties for the minimization of Boolean expression. So now why we are going for the A map is that is without using the Boolean expression, without using the Boolean class formation theorem, minimizing the Boolean expression, we are going for the Tanaka. Okay, so we already know that there is a representation or graphical method of this function, and then here we are having scalar with don't-care condition. So in this scalar, the first main condition is grouping, right? So the grouping is mainly in the form of power of 2, the power of 2, like 2, 4, 8, like this. So the grouping must be in the power of 8. So there is no condition to occur either without these conditions. It may be occur or not. So at that time, we consider that ones are zeros as don't care. Okay. So that is irrelevant to the input of this Boolean expression. Okay. So that is called don't care condition. So here, for example, we take BCD function. Okay. So BCD is nothing but it is a binary coded decimal. Okay. So for this binary coded decimal, we are having only 0 to 9 function. That is 0 is a 4-bit byte. So we take the 4-bit BCD function. That is 40 to 100. Okay. So 100. 1. Okay. So this is the 0 to 9. Okay. We take 40 to 100. After that, 10 to 15. We go take consider. Okay. So here for BCD function, that is equivalent to 10. Okay. That is 0 to 9. Okay. So we take only 0 to 9. We have to get or we have to apply. Without after that 9, 10 to 15, we don't need the function if it have 1 or 0. Okay, so that is we don't take or consider for this BCD function. Okay, so this is basic example for don't care. If we have considered as x or the don't care condition is considered as x or b. Okay, so for this function, we are having basic function like 0 to 9. If we needed for the grouping in the A map, we can take the 10 to 15 values. Okay, other than that, we only stop here. Okay, so this is for don't care. So we take one example problem for this A map don't care condition. Summation here, the SOP form, take the values of 1, 3, 7, 11, 15, these are meters. And here, summation B, we consider summation B as a 0 to 5. Okay. So this is the problem. Here, we solve this program condition with the using of k-map method. So for this, how many variables are there? Using the method, we can see how many variables are. Otherwise, we can take this condition. How many variables? There are 4 variables. For 4 variables, how many cells we can do? 1, 3, 16. These are the we are seeing these are the cell assignments 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, okay, so this is the cell assignment. So we are having values. That is 1, 3, 7, 7, 8. Okay, so these values are not calculated 0 to 5. So for the 0 to 5, we mentioned as t or x. And then 5. So we have to grouping these. So we already know the grouping. So first we have to check the 8 points. That is 8 points are called object. Okay. So we have the object. Let's object there. So otherwise, go for 1. So here these 4 ones make it 1 function. Okay, remaining there are only 1 here. Okay, so by using the k-bar, if there is only 1 means we consider as a 1. Okay, so but here there are 3 local functions. These 3 local functions have either 1 or 0. So we don't consider this function as 0 or 1. But here for the 1 function we consider as 1. Okay, so that is combine this local as a 1 function. Okay, so this d value unified with the set we have another d value. So here we need to take this value. Okay, we don't want to take this d value. There is no one to come. We can close this as group. This is group 1. This is okay. So for this group 1 is group 2. Group 1 plus group 2. We consider these values 4 are cancelled. And then we want to divide with others. 8 plus these 2 values we are cancelled. Take this. That is a bar. So this must be English. Okay. So bar implementation is needed and then place only take the local function. Okay. So there is no need of this simplification or there is no need of grouping. Always we know the figure. Okay. So this is about A level local function.